Oh man, we're getting action. Let's go. What's up with that gong though? I'm sorry, but that's a disrespect. What kind of gong be that, bro? Like, this gong is looking as if they were selling puff puff on top of it before. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Manon. Welcome back again to the channel. Alright, my people. It's that time where we get to actually look at one of my least favorite songs on the Davido album. Yes, you heard it. It's my least favorite song. And obviously, if you haven't gotten the chance to see the review, to see why exactly I don't like the song, I don't rate the song, or at least how it made me feel on my first listen. Basically, keynote on my first listen. Go watch the actual A Better Time review and reaction. I also did a follow-up when I was discussing with people as well. So definitely go check those ones out. Obviously, before we get into it, if you're new to the channel, I go by the name of Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi. I review mostly Nigerian music, Afrobeat, Afropop, anything around that scene basically. So yeah, we are here, we are discussing, or we're about to view actually, we're about to witness A Better Time. I said A Better Time. The Best, featuring Mayorkun by Davido, okay? So we are going into the song, obviously, the impact that this song had within like the time it came out, it made sense. Like in terms of impact, it's undeniable. Like this song was one of the bigger songs off of the album, by no means, okay? Now, my first issue, obviously, like I said, not my favorite, because a lot of what didn't really catch me on the first listen was the distractions going on in the back end of the song. Like the song was, in my view, was poorly mixed and poorly produced. Like the beat was just all over the place, man. Like the drum rolls were out of whack. The timing was just off for many things. It just felt like this is not a powerful powerful record as overall. But needless to say, the hook is very catchy. Mayorkun is actually there delivering one of his best hooks, and all of that. I was so distracted on my first listen from the mess that was going on in the back end. I don't think it's a perfect song, but it took a long while for me to actually okay, I'm okay with this song being out here. And I haven't had the involuntary opportunities to run into the song for me to even go back to it, because I personally haven't gone back to this song since the album came out. It's just maybe random times I run into it or somebody's story, or there's a clip of it on the internet or something. But nonetheless, I've never actually gone back to the song, and this would be the first time I'm hearing it in a long time, basically, in its entirety. But this time we're coming with visuals, and it's exciting because it's not the song that we only have to be checking for. We already know the song, and you guys already know my opinion on the song. My opinion hasn't shifted much from it, but it's like I can definitely like attest that this song is one of the bigger songs on the album, without a doubt. But yeah, without any further ado, guys, let's get right into it. This is the visuals for Davido's The Best featuring Mayorkun. It's about time. Let's do it. Alright. I'm sure this is Damn It Twitch. I'm sure this is a Damn It Twitch video. I'm certain. It has to be. It took them to Asia with this one. Last time around we did a Davido video. It was what song was this again? Jowo. One of my favorites. Jowo. And he took us in the Hausa scene for a bit, and it gave the whole like Peaky Blinders kind of theme. And I see how this one is, like Damn It Twitch as well is coming into another theme here. Obviously I'm looking like we're seeing a monk here, so there's a little bit of Buddhism. I don't know if this is cultural appropriation, but let's see it. Let's see how they execute this plan, because I've seen a lot of Asian concept on Asian like traditional items here, and we'll see how it goes, man. I hope it's not distasteful, sha. Nah, like I have to give more props to Mayorkun. I don't know how I actually like overlooked what he did on this song. Maybe because the beat was too distracting for me, but I couldn't have, like, definitely, like, this was one song that I say, okay, Mayorkun is actually delivering one of his, like, frankly, over time, you can tell this song has aged a little bit better than I expected. And but nonetheless, Mayorkun is doing his thing here, and okay, the cameo is bad. Say you sing fast one day, cool. If you ask Davido why he went with this theme, or why they went with this idea of like monks and everything, I'm sure they will tell you we grew up watching a lot of the Chinese movies and seeing those action-packed films where you see the master training, like a kung fu movie basically, where you're seeing the master training the apprentice, and then the master, and sometimes the student becomes as bad as the master to some point. You can see that trajectory, and you can see that pattern, or pull a parallel with how Davido has kind of like, you know, groomed Mayorkun, or at least platformed them to the point where he's almost on the same like trajectory as his own master that trained him to the point. And I'm sure and I'm hoping this video kind of ties into that, to see Mayorkun age as an artist and see how like basically how the come up has been with him. Davido obviously like being the master in this case, and training him. It's nice imagery, I get it, and it makes sense, and it ties into the song. It ties very closely into the song because he's telling him that I learned from the best. So it's a nice thing, honestly. I won't lie. It's a very, very nice concept that they have for this video. It said I learned from the best of myself. This is so funny, bro. But that's a disrespect. What kind of gong be that, bro? Like, this gong is looking as if they were selling puff on top of it before. See, what's up with this stick too? Like, I wish you see more. They don't try, man. They try. Got to correct. But honestly, I get it. I rate it. I actually rate it. I rate this video a lot, man. I actually do. It's not a bad concept, you get it, but the execution could have been, I could fine tune the execution of the idea, sha. But nonetheless, it's definitely ties into the message of the song. He really pulls through to the fact that the Mayorkun is coming under Davido, and Davido has brought him to this point of his career. He's obviously in the battle and he wins, and I like it. I like the message. It almost felt like a Mayorkun moment, because this song was him. This song was him. Like he was probably the best portion of the song. But it makes sense. I rate it. Davido, shout out to the DMW clan. Shout out to the director of this for obviously Damn Twitch doing his thing. I like the extent of the costume and the theme that it went for the video. I respect it. It wasn't too distasteful. I don't think it was. I don't think it was too distasteful. Obviously, they were turning into like a Chinese movie. I don't know, maybe Karate Kid, or I don't know. But basically, yeah, a kung fu movie, you know. But nonetheless, it was a decent video. I rate it. I definitely rate it. Davido is out here with his video. Shout out to them on Twitch as well. Very fine video. Let me know what you guys think about it. Do you think it was tacky that they went with this particular theme, or you thought it actually made sense for the song and it was a good theme to tackle for the song? Let me know what you guys feel about this. Funny enough, I have my top 50 2020 songs coming shortly on the Imanowani channel, the main channel. So definitely keep it locked. Subscribe here and subscribe on that channel as well. I have that coming soon. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.